Electronic predator calls are a cornerstone tool for modern predator hunters, offering programmable sound libraries, decoy integration, and remote control flexibility to increase encounter rates with coyotes, foxes, bobcats, and other predators. The category blends field-proven field use with advancing digital audio quality, Bluetooth and SD card storage.
List number 1. Icotech Fernado Predator Game Caller Decoy Combo, designed for Coyote. The Fernado is Icotech's budget-friendly entry, pairing a compact electronic call with a furry decoy topper and a 150-yard remote range. It ships with 15 professionally recorded sounds and uses a simple, rugged construction aimed at field reliability. Priced at $89.99, it's positioned as an accessible way to test Icotech's decoy-driven approach, without committing to a large library or higher-end electronics. Performance-wise, the Fernado delivers dependable sound output for its class and benefits from long battery life, up to 40 hours on 4 AA cells plus an A23, making it well-suited for weekend hunts and quick setups. The 150-yard remote range is adequate for most stand layouts, though buyers should plan for wind and terrain that can reduce effective control distance. The included fur-wrapped decoy topper enhances lure realism and, combined with the remote, allows you to place the collar off to the side of the stand to avoid spooking wary predators. Durability is a strong point, with a plastic housing designed for transport in trucks and field use, and Icotech backs it with a 2-year warranty.
List number 2. Icotech Nomad Plus Programmable Predator Call Decoy Combo with Bluetooth. The Nomad Plus represents Icotech's premium, highly expandable platform. At $299.99, it offers a 300-yard remote and 100-yard Bluetooth range, dual sound playback, and a substantial library of 165 professional sounds, including contributions from Predator University. It supports up to 2,000 sounds stored on a 32-bit SD card and supports high-fidelity 24-bit WAV playback with compatibility for 16 to 32-bit files. An AD400 decoy is included, and the ecosystem is designed to scale via SD card and OTD-based sound transfers, adapters sold separately. In practice, the Nomad Plus excels in versatility. 2 simultaneous sounds enable more realistic ambush scenarios, while Bluetooth connectivity simplifies remote sound control from a smartphone or tablet within range. The 300-yard remote and robust SD card-based storage provide long-term flexibility for seasoned callers who rotate custom libraries between hunts. The 5-year warranty adds compelling long-term value. On the downside, the setup complexity is higher, and OTG adapters or external devices required for full cloud-like sound management can add friction for beginners. The physical footprint is larger than entry-level units, but still portable for a serious field kit.
List number 3. Fox Pro Hellcat, American-made electronic predator call, remote operated. The Fox Pro Hellcat is a USA-made portable digital collar with 175 sounds, 75 premium plus free library, and storage for up to 300 sounds. It uses the TX433XL transmitter with a larger LCD and an elastomeric keypad for intuitive navigation. A built-in decoy with a Bluebird topper adds realism, and the unit weighs a mere 2.2 pounds with batteries. At $299.95, it targets hunters who want a compact, ship-ready platform with broad sound coverage. Performance-wise, the Hellcat delivers strong field reliability, decent runtime, 3 to 7 hours on 4 AA batteries, depending on usage, and straightforward category navigation. The built-in decoy is a real usability plus, reducing clutter in the field and enabling rapid stand setup. The dual benefits of portability and a robust library make it attractive for guided hunts or hunters who value quick access without extra gear. However, some users may find the 3 to 7 hour runtime limiting on long sessions, and the 2.2 pound weight, while light, still requires deliberate carry planning.
List number 4.
Hunter Specialties Johnny Stewart Executioner Electronic Game Caller. The Executioner from Hunter Specialties is a classic, budget-friendly option at $99.99, featuring 100 Johnny Stewart premium calls and a loud 120 dB horn speaker. It supports QSET and favorite calls with a sequential call feature to automate playback order. The base uses 8 AA batteries with a 4 AA remote, combining familiar Johnny Stewart content with accessible control. In use, the Executioner shines as a reliable, no-frills platform that is ideal for learners or casual hunters who want immediate results without fuss. The 120 dB horn speaker ensures audible presence in open terrain and during windy days, while QSET and favorite calls simplify repeated stands. The main trade-off is the more modest sound library and speaker technology compared with the high-fidelity digital systems, which may matter for nuanced calls or in dense habitat where sound clarity and projection are crucial. Battery management is straightforward but requires regular checks during multi-day trips.
List number 5. ICOTEK 350 Plus Electronic Predator Call. Includes programmable SD card. The 350 Plus from ICOTEK sits between budget and premium tiers with 30 professional sounds, Bluetooth connectivity up to 100 yards, and the ability to play 2 sounds simultaneously. It includes a programmable SD card and a backlit keypad for night hunting, priced at $139.99. The device emphasizes straightforward programming with SD-based storage and Bluetooth, offering a flexible option for hunters who want a mid-range, feature-rich platform without the expense of Nomad Plus. Field performance is boosted by the 300-yard no-line-of-sight remote range and the dual sound capability, which makes it easy to create convincing predator ambushes in variable terrain. The backlit keypad is a valuable ergonomic touch for dusk or night hunts. The trade-offs here are a smaller sound library than premium ICOTEK and the need to manage SD card-based storage to maximize sound selection. Overall, it's a strong mid-range choice for hunters who want Bluetooth and SD card flexibility without the expense of Nomad Plus.